How to fix Instagram not linking to TikTok profile. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this issue. So without any further delay, let's just get into it. First thing first, tap on your TikTok application to open it up. And from here, you just have to head over to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you land on your profile page, you're going to have an option to edit profile right under following. Tap on it. And once you get to your edit profile page, you will have the option to add links to your bio. Tap on links and you can add your Instagram link from here. But if you don't have this option, then what you need to do is make sure that your TikTok application is up to date as well as your Instagram. So head over to your Google Play Store app, tap on the search bar at the bottom right corner, and then simply search for TikTok. Now tap on the application, and if you see an update button, make sure to update the app. Do the same thing for Instagram. If you see the update here instead of open, just go ahead and update the app. The next step you can do is try to clear cache from your TikTok app. Long press and hold on it. Go to the eye icon that you see right beside TikTok name, and you'll land on the app info page. Scroll down until you find storage. And on storage, you're going to have to clear cache. If you want, you could also try to clear data, and it will completely erase all of your files, settings, accounts, and databases and refresh the app. After doing all of this, you're going to have to open TikTok again and try to add Instagram bio here and add link from here. Then you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.